Hello friends, welcome on our channel #InTaught. It's all about law and chemistry. Today I am going to discuss about the chemistry. This is my first video and I am starting with the coupling reactions, which are very important for the NET, SET, GATE exams and also for the MS's last year exams. So let's start with McMurray coupling reaction. Let's start with the MC-Murray coupling reaction. This is one of the coupling reactions, McMurray coupling reaction. In McMurray coupling reaction, the most three important things are: first, the metal. The metal we are going to use in the McMurray coupling reaction is titanium chloride in oxidation state 3. Second most important is the 2 moles of aldehydes or ketones. It's the most important because if McMurray coupling reaction is all about the aldehyde and ketones, so they are must needed. And the third most important thing is the reducing agents. This is all about the McMurray coupling reaction. McMurray coupling reaction is around these three important things: titanium chloride, the metal, 2 moles of aldehyde and ketones, and reducing agents. Let's see the definition of the McMurray coupling reaction. This is the definition of the McMurray coupling reaction. It is an organic reaction in which 2 ketones or aldehydes group are coupled to form an alkene using titanium chloride and reducing agent. In this definition, here is the formation of alkene. This is our product. Alkene is our product. These three are our reactants, reagents, and the alkene is our product. The McMurray coupling is all about, in general way, titanium we needed plus 2 moles of ketone or aldehyde and the product is alkene. So this is all about McMurray coupling reaction. Now let's see the general reaction of this reaction. This is the general example of the McMurray coupling reaction. Here is the 2 moles of the ketones and we are using the titanium chloride. A reducing agent is LiAlH for lithium aluminum hydride and THF, and our product, as we discussed, is alkene. Just we have to do that, add these two ones and make a double bond between these two carbon and remove this double bond O and make this alkene. This is the very simple way to identify the McMurray coupling reaction or to solve, to give product of McMurray coupling reaction is alkene. It is too easy to identify and to give a product. In a NET, in exams, MCQ exams, generally ask the directly product or the reactants. At that time, this method is very useful to identify which is this reaction and what is the product and the reactant or reagents of the reactions. So let's see the mechanism of this reaction. Here first we give these 2 moles of, we at a time write 2 moles of this ketone, and here is the surface of titanium 0. Here is the homolytic cleavage of this bond and the formation of bond with oxygen. So we write here like this: CH3 CO. We write here separate. This is the surface area of titanium, Ti first, and this is another CH3 O, this bond Ti first, this CH3 CH3, CH3. In next step, the surface area of titanium oxidation state, it's first, and here is the formation of the radicals because of the homolytic cleavage of this bond, and this make a double bond. Here we write here like this is as it is, CH3, CH3, and this is double bond, which is our product but is not still complete. The reaction is remaining. So this is the step of the McMurray coupling reaction, in which the formation of alkene, and in next step again the homolytic cleavage of this bond and the formation of radical here, and the double titanium double bond O here. So we write here C, this radical CH3, CH3, C, this surface of titanium, Ti first, double bond O, which is formed here, and this Ti first is here, and this CH3, sorry, is like this, and this CH3. In next step we are going to cleavage, homolytic cleavage of this bond, and again the same process. In next step, both titanium in oxidation state 2 form a double bond with O, and this gets separate out, CH3, CH3, already here is a radical, and this is next CH3, and this forms A2 radicals, a double bond, and we get our product, that is alkene. Here double bond, this CH3, 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 CH3. This is our alkene as a product. This is all about the McMurray coupling reaction. In next video I will give you all of you the more examples of McMurray coupling reaction, and you try to solve. If you have any problem, please comment, ask. I will give all mechanisms of that examples. Thank you. Please like our videos, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.